Today, I'd like to share some exciting news. Our brand new website just launched. We created our website to give our customers like you a new and improved shopping experience. Let's start the website tour. On the home page, you can learn all about the benefits and features of digital planners and accessories, and much more. New to digital planning? Go to the How It Works page to learn how to get started with digital planning. Click on the shop page and you'll see all our products. Here, you can see the featured product, the new arrivals, and products by categories and collections. We also have many more new products coming soon. One of the best features of our website is that you can filter the products to find your perfect digital planner and accessories quickly and easily. You can filter by color palette, week layout, spiral color, and so much more. Purchasing on our website is easy and secure. The Quick Start Guide page will tell you exactly what to do to get started with your digital planner and accessories. Click on Support to find instant answers to all your questions. If you need more help, you can contact us and we'll be happy to help. If you want to stay updated on sales, new products, and more, you can sign up at the link in the description box. Visit our website now for 10% off your first purchase for a limited time. Looking forward to seeing you there.